Okay, today we're going to compare the Nissan oil filter against the Bosch oil filter. Nissan filter is number 15208-65FOE, and the Bosch oil filter number is 3300. And you can get both of these at Rock Auto. The Nissan oil filter costs $5.58, and the Bosch filter costs $3.81. And a viewer sent this Nissan oil filter to me to open her up and see what she looks like. So I figured I'd compare these two. They both fit the same vehicles, and see how they look. So let's get started. It looks like it have a glue it nice and tight. Get your inner here. Filtration of 99 here. Okay, let's start with the Nissan oil filter. Open her up. The date code is 2101282. She comes with this plastic. I took it off earlier, but it's normally on there. And where's she made? It says it here somewhere. Yeah, right there. Made in Mexico. She has 8 inlet holes. I see a metal core with louvers, bypass valve down there. Nice amount of threads. And let's see. O-ring, it's got like a groove here. That's pretty good. These are sometimes hard to get on once you take them off because they fit right into that groove. And you can see the oil that they have on them. Okay, let's see what the Bosch looks like. Open her up. The date code is F10L10E1. The Bosch is made in USA. Also has 8 inlet holes, metal core with louvers, bypass valve down below, and nitro O-ring, which is on there pretty good. I can't get it off. It's on there pretty good. I got short fingernails. Come on, get off there. I don't think I'm going to get that off. It's on there good, folks, so I'm just going to leave it. Yeah. See, the Bosch is a little bit bigger, but they fit the same vehicles. The base plates look pretty similar. I say we open these babies up and see what's inside. Be right back. Okay, let's weigh the Nissan filter. The Nissan weighs 6.9 ounces. And the Bosch filter weighs 6.9 ounces, huh? Both the same. How about the base plates? Nissan weighs 3.1 ounces. And the Bosch weighs 3.3 ounces. Yeah, let's take a look at these base plates. Nissan's got probably one more thread. See a little more threads there. The inlet holes look about the same size. So you get about the same oil flow. But this Bosch filter here, this has got I got this off afterwards, but it's on there pretty good. Look, these indentations are pretty far in. It stays on there nice. Yeah, those are pretty good. Okay, and the silicone anti-drain back valves. This is the Nissan one. And get the Bosch one here, if I can get it out. They look about the same size. work nice. Yeah, both work good. Okay, let's check the filter media on this Nissan. Pretty sloppy with the glue. I counted 49 pleats, and both of these filters are cellulose media, cellulose filter media, metal end caps with a bypass valve right here. But yeah, they got really sloppy right there. It's got a glued seam. 2.2 ounces for that filter media. And the Bosch is a lot cleaner. Got a crimped metal seam here, and I counted 53 pleats. But a little sloppy here with the glue. And the bypass valves right here. It's got a setting of 14 to 18 psi. And like I said, this is also cellulose media. With, I had micron rating of 20. That's what I found on it. So I don't know what that exactly means, micron rating of 20. But if you check their box out, they say 99%. They say 99% efficiency. But, if you read up on, says it there also, they got a lot of different numbers thrown at you right here. So, it says 12 at 20 microns, at 40 microns. I don't know. I don't really understand this stuff. I should, but I swear they put this stuff down just to confuse you. I wish they would just come out with a single micron rating. But, yeah, so, but, to me, these are both the same. As far as the filter media and the micron rating, probably, they're probably both around 25, 30 or something like that, I would guess. But, look at the sloppiness. I don't know, take your sloppiness. Which sloppiness do you like better? I don't know. They both look kind of rough. But I guess I'd say the Bosch probably looks a little better. I don't know. They both look rough. Let's get some measurement. Oh yeah, we gotta look at the springs too. You got a stamp leaf spring here. This is basically hardly has any kind of dome to it, so feels pretty sturdy. And the Bosch has a pretty big one. Not a big one, but I mean, it's got a big arc to it. A bigger arc, I should say. See, that one's 0.2. Yeah, they weigh the same. How about get the thickness of the cans here. And these are printed, by the way, too. This is printed. That don't seem right. Let me zero this off. 0.6. I know they are kind of thick. They're thicker than normal. And on this Bosch filter, this is a sticker. 0.5. Yeah, that's about normal. And how about the width? This is the Nissan filter, 1.43, 2.29, 1.86. And the Bosch filter is 1.72, 2.25, 2.12. Okay, I think the Bosch is probably going to be longer. What do you guys think? Well, let's cut these guys open stretch them out and see what they look like. Be right back. Okay, and here they are all stretched out. And your Bosch filter is 47.5 inches long. And your Nissan filter is 43.5 inches long. And here they are zoomed out. Okay, and here's the seams. And you get your metal crimp seam here. They actually stayed together. And the glute seam. Filter medias, they look the same and they feel the same. They pretty much all in this price range feel and look the same like this. So I'm saying they're probably like 25 to 30 microns. And let's see the rest of the filter. You know, they got some similarities. They got louvers, both got louvers. The bypass valves are down below. They got silicone anti-drain back valves. They got, you know, their base plates are almost the same holes. They both got the stamp leaf springs, and they're both covered with glue. So I mean, yeah, they're pretty much the same. The only difference is the prices. I mean, you'd save buying the Bosch, I guess, dollar something, $1.70 or something like that, cheaper. So I don't know. I would pick probably the Bosch over these two. So I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I open up a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care.